Hello, we are Edgar and Carlitos. We are going to talk about the laser cutter. First of all, how we deduce that it works? It has the first of all thing. It's a computer in which you draw the coordinates of the thing you want to cut or to draw. This sends the signal to a laser resonator, which shoots the laser that
That is
hits.
reflected on a mirror, and this like reflects the laser here, and with some pressure that is put, it shoots the laser, but very thin, and with the coordinates that were on the computer, it starts to cut the image as you chose in the computer.
It has other sensors, like a height sensor for not cutting the table in which the image is, and also a sensor to see the coordinates in the table that you put in the computer.
And the one that measures how deep is the laser to make it more powerful or less powerful depending on the material, because if you want to cut wood or steel, it's a different density because it will cut through the all through the wood.
Well, or it may have also another sensor that sends the coordinates to the computer if you want to scan an image and cut it from there and not building the model digitally. It will build it for you and then cut the image. Now, some issues that might be found could be, well, first of all, not cutting the table. That is solved with a height sensor. Also, knowing where it's cutting, because you may draw the coordinates here, but if the coordinates don't match the digital and the physical ones, it is going to cut even with the coordinates here, even the ones here are wrong, so the image might be distorted. And also the power of the laser, that might be controlled also from the computer.
The inputs are the computer, the draw that you draw in the computer or the model. Also the scanner in some cases, like in a video that is attached to our in the description section, and some sensors that are the one from height, the one from power, and the coordinates. The outputs are the laser that it's cutting, and the movement of the laser to make the image.
Now, in the algorithm, you first start your program, and then the laser will receive either both of coordinates. One might be the one that you draw in the computer, or other, the one that the laser is drawing in the computer because it scanned the image you wanted to cut. Then it detects the material or the width of the material. With that, it will determine the power of the laser, and then it will shoot the laser while it's following the digital model. And that is how the laser
Here,
works.
it may be a loop that moves and at the same time is always cutting until the maybe it didn't hear, but while it's cutting, it's maybe a loop because it will be cutting as it moves. So it will be if it's already cut, move, and that way it's going to make the image.
Now, with that, some social issues might be that it will be much easier to cut stuff even in home that you might have wanted to send to a shop or something. You could make it in your home, and well,
Well, maybe also for industrial purposes with like a giant laser, some process may be done quickly, like making parts of cars or maybe even I don't know making small stuff like in computers. It can be used for also personalizing some stuff.
thank you.